Today I'll walk you through how to create your first automation in Make. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Make, then sign into your account. Once you're in, look at the left side menu and click Scenarios. This is the central hub where all your automations will be built and managed. Now go ahead and click Create a new scenario, and a blank Scenario Builder canvas will appear. This is your workspace. To begin building, click the plus button in the center of the canvas. This is where you choose the app that will trigger your automation. For example, you might start with Google Sheets. After selecting your trigger app, you'll need to choose a specific trigger event, like Watch New Rows or Watch New Records. This tells Make what kind of change to listen for. Next, you'll create a connection by clicking Add Connection. Simply sign into the app and grant Make permission to access your account. Once connected, configure the trigger by selecting the exact spreadsheet or resource you want to monitor, then save the module settings. Now it's time to add an action. Click the plus icon next to your trigger module and search for the app that should perform the next step. Choose the action you want, like sending an email, creating a record, or updating data. If you haven't already authorized this action app, create a new connection and grant access. Then configure the action by selecting the destination resource and filling in any required fields. Here's where the magic happens: mapping your data. You'll match information from your trigger module to the fields in your action module. For example, mapping a name from your spreadsheet to a customer name field, or an email to a recipient email field. Once everything's connected, take a moment to review the workflow. Make sure all modules are linked correctly and your settings and mappings look good. Then click Save in the upper right corner. Now it's time to test. Click Run once and Make will start listening for test data. Head over to your source app and create a sample event, like adding a new row to a spreadsheet or submitting a test form. Watch as your modules execute on the canvas. Successful ones will show execution details. Finally, check your destination app to verify the action completed successfully. If something's off, click the execution bubble on each module to inspect the input and output data, then correct any mapping errors or missing fields. Test again until everything runs smoothly. And that's it. You've just created your first automation in Make. Thanks for watching and happy automating.